Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Middle Tennessee. It's a beautiful day outside. We have been ordered to stay home because of this coronavirus outbreak. However, I'm an essential employee where I work, so I'll one of the few that get to go into work later this afternoon. But staying at home is not a problem when you're turning wood. This afternoon, wanted to turn a turkey call. This is a 3-inch surface ceramic over glass soundboard with segmented walnut and maple wood, and we completed this today, and turkey season starts tomorrow. And although I'm not a turkey hunter, I do have friends that are, and I was requested that to try to make some of these. So originally started out making them out of coasters, slate coasters, but they were about 4 inches in diameter, a little large, a little bulky for the hand. But as I got to making them, and they got easier and easier, I've resorted to purchasing materials for the slate calls, the glass and the slate, ceramic, etc. And they're all consistently the same size, so they've turned out to be very well, very good, and very nice. They fit well in the palm of the hand. I make them in 3-inch and 3.5-inch. All slate, all ceramic, or all glass. So anyway, this is what we're going to do. And first of all, we're going to go to the bandsaw and cut it out rough, and then we'll put it on a lathe and show you how we drill the holes and all that stuff. And I use a 3/8 inch threaded hole to center it, and it's just a bottle stopper chuck. Holds it very nice, very tight. I don't have any problems with it slipping or anything like that, or stripping. The threads hold on real well. So anyway, let's get started, and let's get to making a turkey call. Okay, this one's going to be ceramic over glass. Glass will go in first as a soundboard with a ceramic striking surface. It's 3-inch striking surface, so in relation to your hand there. I use the E6000 adhesive, works well, does real well with glass to wood surfaces. So let's put it on the center here with the pedestal here where the grooves are, and that'll push down that a little less scattering, and then scatter across the top here. I've been told you don't want to do it all the way around because it kind of deadens the sound. It's all about vibration. So we'll make about 3 lines here. And let that serve the purpose. In the glass you want to get centered, and there's easier ways to do this, I'm sure, but just drop it in. Oh, that's pretty close right there. And that'll hold. And then the ceramic. Down. And I like to use a good old insulator as a weight. That'll hold it down, and we'll let it dry. Show the finished product here in just a little bit. All right, we have completed the turkey call. Not only did we do one, but we did 4 others. It's been a good, productive day. I completed the one that we originally started. All of these are segmented wood, maple and walnut, but different surfaces. They're all glass soundboards, but different striking surfaces. This one is ceramic. This one is glass over glass. Got a nice little spalting taking place there. Very nice. Slate over glass. Some of these I put a groove here for holding. Not all of them I did, but on these, some of them I did. Slate. I'm sorry, ceramic over glass. Did some burn detail with friction burning with a piece of wire. And I got a bee in here. And also some more friction burning on this one. And this is slate over glass also. So completed these. Got several set up for my friends that are interested. Also make strikers. I got purple heart and hickory, maple, and then acrylic. So let's give these a shot. See how they sound. First use acrylic. Some maple. Hickory. And purple heart. So we've completed this, several of them. Actually had a couple people call me already and said they wanted them. So pretty excited about that. I think it's a great design, great fitting in hand. They slide it right there in their pouch when they're out hunting. So very, very useful. Very pleased with the outcome of all of these, and look forward to making more. So like I say, I'm not a turkey hunter, but I know I got a lot of good friends that are, and they're going to be out in the woods tomorrow. So I'm hoping that they'll be out there, and when they get that turkey, they'll sit there and hold that right up against it to say this is what brought them in. So anyway, thanks for taking a look at this and watching my channel. If you like it, give me a thumbs up there. I really appreciate it. And please feel free to leave any comments, suggestions. I'm always willing to try new things. So anyway, thanks. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. Whether you agree with what's going on or not with this virus thing, do what's right in the eyes of the law, and let's get over this. We'll get over this together, and let's all get better. And for all those people that are sick, man, you're in my prayers, and y'all have a great day. God bless.